What is up? Evelyn Harper here. We are back with my daily Fit in 5-minute workouts. I talked about it in the last video, but basically my mom has started to do my workouts every single day, which is super exciting because for the longest time she had a hard time staying consistent and motivated and all the above. So we are continuing with our core. We started with core in the last workout, and so let's just keep going. So this one, we're working our shoulders, so you have a lot of tension in the band up top. And you are dipping your leg. Actually, sorry, you are extending it. This is a dead bug type of thing. So a lot of tension in the band up top, and you're extending your leg out. And if that's too much, just extend it where you can, and you're coming back. If it's too much pressure on your neck, then drop your neck. And so you're just moving your legs, and you have tension in your arms and shoulders up top. Let's do 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Good. Let's go to the other side. Good. Make sure your back is not coming off the mat. If so, you need to tuck those hips in even more so your tailbone comes off the mat more than your chest coming up. Let's do 5 more. If this is too much with that leg, then just put it down on the ground. Perfect. Good. Now we're going to get some rotation in the mix. So we're working your obliques, and you're just rotating your arms to touch the ground. I love burning up one side before doing the other side. I feel like that's way more effective. So you'll see me do one side and then the other side. Let's do 5 more. Kind of hollowed up so my chest is off the mat, just to feel it more. If that's too much, then just leave your head down. You'll still feel the burn in your core. 2. If you want to work on your grip strength on this other side, go ahead and grab the band and pull it apart with your fingers. I'm going to flip over so you can see on that side. And you don't have to see the back of me. If your arms start getting too exhausted, put a little bend in them. Good job. All right, shake it out. I feel that in my arms, I feel that in my core. So let's keep going. You've got one more round of these extensions. And you can even mess with your shoulders, work on your shoulder mobility, bringing it up and bringing it down. That's some good rub your tummy, pat your head, because you're thinking of your leg extending while your arm is moving at a different pace. Let's do 3 more. Good. All right, shake it out. Last side. Like I said, if it's too much with your leg up, put that leg down. Feel this in my triceps and my arms, which is right here behind my bicep. Make sure you keep those hips tucked so you're not arching in your back. That'll take a lot of value out of this core exercise. Let's do 3 more. Okay, good work. Your abs should be a bit toasty, and you can run through that again. Keep the motions here all very slow and be very intentional with them all. Be mindful of your back, so keep your hips tucked the whole time and you're engaging your core. But aside from that, hope you enjoy your day and see you tomorrow.